In Gubat, mornings arrive slowly. The ocean breathes a salty mist over the land, and the palms barely stir. Before sunrise, we set out, barefoot on the sand, to a quiet stretch of beach that only the locals really know.
I stood where willows touched the tide.
Along the black and golden sands of the beach, tiny hermit crabs scuttle across. There's a rhythm here, almost meditative. This coast, facing the Pacific, is wild and patient, much like the people who've lived by it for generations.
I find the stones now worn and bare.
Back at the villa, a simple breakfast. Garlic fried rice, warm bread, and steaming cups of instant coffee. It's the kind of meal you don't think twice about until you miss it. We hop into the tricycles, weaving through the morning traffic, past Sari stores, kids on their way to school, and roadside stands already frying up the morning catch for lunch. The breeze gets cooler as we leave town and enter the countryside, toward my father's family's land.
The crossing sings, we've not decayed.
We walk the Pilapil, a narrow concrete causeway laid between the rice paddies. Egrets pick through the fields, and goats come to greet us as we walk along. There's no rush here. Time moves like the water in the dikes, slow, deliberate, always flowing. And then the land opens up. This is where our father's family worked and survived. Tucked between hills and fields with coconut trees rising like old watchmen. With cows, oxen, and carabao all standing vigilant.
Sound. Though years have passed and names are worn.
The soil is soft, red with iron, and still worked by hand, the way it's always been.
Beneath the moon, the waters breathe.
We stop to rest beside a humble tin shed, its walls rusted by decades of rain and sun, where the farm tools hang quietly, worn, familiar, and still coated with the dust of morning work.
Between the worlds we now divide. We are the end.
From the hilltop we see everything. The patterned rice paddies below, patches of forest, and in the far distance, the endless blue sky. Somewhere in this quiet sprawl, our family's stories are buried. In the roots of trees, in the stones of old fences, and in the laughter that once echoed through these fields. We walk through rows of pineapples, past banana trees heavy with fruit. There's a pili nut tree here, twisted and proud. My Tita Mila talks about ecotourism and maybe one day opening up her farmland to that possibility.
I whispered names into the mist.
Somewhere nearby, the Narra trees stand tall. Their wood, once used for boats, now protected as a national treasure. These trees remember things we never will.
Beneath the ever-changing sky, I reach through reeds and shifting ground. Your voice is there, a haunting sound.
My brother and I slowly walk beneath these trees. The forest here is cool, alive. We don't speak. The breeze carries the scent of damp earth and wildflowers. It's a silence filled with memory. The edge of the path, my niece finds the delicate husk of a shedded snakeskin, silent proof that even here, in the stillness of the land, something is always letting go and beginning again.
Between the worlds we now divide,
the sun tracks high through the sky as we make our way back. Another walk on the Palapil, another trek through our heritage. But something is different now. We came searching for roots and found them quietly waiting. In Gubat, things don't move fast, but they endure. And sometimes, in returning, we realize we never truly left.
we've not decayed. Beneath the moon, the waters breathe. They guard the truth.